What is up, boys? Let me just do a quick audio test to make sure everything's working. Give me a quick sec. Just checking and doing an audio test. What is up, boy? Alright, sounds like you can hear me. So, we're looking at the market. We are in a sell program. So, let's go higher. Let's just go higher. Like we can get some Boston. Like, what's the word that happened to my this problem? Start to run away. I need to like let this take its time. There we go. Let's put this up here. Let's go back up here. That's good. That's fire. Just gotta make sure you can see my chart. Keep getting notifications. I'm gonna keep that right there. I'm gonna set my chair. And now I gotta check. Alright, seems like we got in at the right time. I want to go long again. I don't know if I click Shift E. Oh yeah, Shift E. That's actually too much. Shift sell. Well, now I can't sell anymore. Okay. I need this to go higher for myself. 5. That's as much as I'll go. Kinda got a little happy. What's it called? When you like, what is it called? Happy trigger? Happy trigger, I think. We gotta Google this shit. Wait. Is it called happy trigger? I'm pretty sure it's called happy trigger. Like, search this up. Happy trigger describes someone who is really eager to use a gun or violence or trigger. Oh, yeah, trigger happy. It's not happy trigger. It's trigger happy. I'm trigger happy right now. Yeah, I got trigger happy, and I just started like going at it. To the view of the live stream, it's a little latent, not to the price action. But anyway, it's not that latent. Okay, yeah, it's not that latent. Uh, what am I targeting? What's my target? Actually, I just got in because I saw that we're bullish, but I really don't have a target. It's irresponsible of me. My target, if being honest, will have to be 12 day. It's in the 12 day. That's a target right there. That's a really good target of mine. That black first quarter, and then that one. That's a target for me. We're taking out liquidity as we should. Like yesterday's live stream. What's up, Hal? How you doing, Hal? And then you, I see those highs right here. That's the level I really want to see get taken at because we have 12-hour highs and those highs are just filled with a bunch of sell stops. No, buy stops, my bad. It's filled with a bunch of buy stops. My bad. Now just wait. Could have. What are we doing right now? We are in a sell program. Now we're entering a buy program. Okay. We're in a buy program. 10 day. 5, 2. It is 107, so we should spool. We'll wait for it to spool. Let's go higher. Quick. Let's keep on going. Got 2 minutes. Let it just spool. Let it just keep going higher. Let it 18 years. You got you for 18 years. I went on my ex's repost because her account was just there, and I just said, you know what? I haven't, you know, haven't thought of you in a while, so I clicked on it, and honestly, no post, but she had a lot of reposts, and I'm now not eating for 2 weeks. No, I'm kidding. But I did look at her reposts, and it was a lot of, it was interesting. There was a lot of like not religious stuff. It was more like atheist stuff where she just it's reposts on people critiquing religion. Or, well, people who are in support of critiquing religion, and it concerned me. I was like, well, that's interesting because for what I remember, this girl I was dating, she was a little Peep fan, baggy jeans, big hoodies, girly girl. And so her repost kind of seemed very off. Um, very off. I don't know. So keeping her in my prayers. Hopefully she's doing okay. I think it's a spiritual battle she's going through, which is good because that girl. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. So I hope she's doing okay. I just I lore drop a little bit. Okay, we have relative equal highs in the 1 minute. I really want to see those relative equal highs. We have relative equal highs in the 10 minute. I really want to see those get taken out with some speed, and I want to see that tag. That's going to be my first partial to be a cheeky partial because partials are usually shallow, not really deep. But because I have confidence that this really wants to go higher, I'm take that cheeky partial and deal with the consequences if it doesn't get hit. I have an amazing price action. I wonder what they're doing over there in the government. Probably doing something shady. Um, I still think this market wants to go lower. Personally, I just would want to see it go lower. I would want to see it go higher just to go lower. That's my take on it. I would want to see Americans just get fooled that this is going higher and it's going to be a golden age of America, and it ends up not happening. And not that I'm praying on America's downfall. I love America, but all I'm saying is the people running these markets, let's just say they don't really care about Americans. This thing has 7 minutes to do something. Okay, liquidity has been made on both sides. Now I want to see sell side taken out, so buy side could be taken out. Then we have a minute here. It's about open 15. We're about to have a 1:15-minute candlestick open, which is fire. A lot that trading is just a lot of waiting, a lot of sitting around. I still think of her. I know I shouldn't think of her, but I still think of her. I hope she's doing okay. Like, I know I shouldn't I shouldn't contact her, but I want to. Especially after seeing her reposts are about religion, and how I think one of the reposts is fuck it, I'm about reading the reposts because I don't care. It's not like she's gonna watch this. Okay, one of the reposts is this. I used to be like, even though I'm an atheist, I don't care if others are religious, but like every time I look into religion, I just lose more and more respect for religious people. Like, I don't want to disrespect them, but I can't help seem see them as low key dumb. Then there's another one. No, I don't need religion to be a morally good person to myself or others. Yes, I'm better than you because of that. And a whole other one's about more religion. Only God she believes in is Mother Nature. And I think she's just spiritually lost. I seriously think she's spiritually lost. And I want to contact her and be like, hey, um, are you okay? But I know that's not very wise, or is it very mature. You kind of gotta leave in the past, you know? I don't even know. I don't, I think I should block her, but I don't know if that's just gonna be, I don't know if that's necessary. I think it's just a little too much just blocking her because I saw her repost. And now I'm thinking, well, maybe, I could tell her that Jesus is the way. I don't know, but I feel like saying that to a person who's in that state of mind is kind of, I don't want to say insulting, but it's kind of like they feel not heard, and I want her to feel heard. But then again, it's not even my job to, you know, tell her about Jesus. It's not my job. And it's still like, it's been like 4 years since we had really had a conversation. Actually, no, it hasn't been 4 years. It's been, I think, 2 years. It's been 2 years since we had like a real conversation. So, I'm not gonna open that can of worms, and it's just bad. I just, I do think of her, and I hope she's doing okay, and I hope she does find Jesus, and I hope that whatever spiritual battle she's going through, she's able to overcome it. Let's look at the 1 minute. Let's study what's going on. You probably see that red box in my screen. You're probably wondering what the hell is that red box. So the red box is that wick right there. Look how we're trading inside of it. Look at the lows we have. That's great, right? Now look at this right here. Wait for it. Boom. Just like that. And I'll wait for it. We're about to enter a macro, and this should start taking price higher. There's a bunch of liquidity right up here. It's delicious. It is beautiful. And you saw it before the fact. Ah! So when I talk shit, you better remember this day. I'm kidding. Man, today driving my sister to school, there was construction work, and it kind of let my ego get the best of me. I don't know. I gotta work on this big ego. It's my issue. It's a big issue. I think my ego has gone better. I definitely believe that I'm less egotistical now. I feel like um, God has humbled me. He's definitely put me in spots where I've tapped out and I've been humbled. Yeah. And I'm reading a new book. I don't know if you're aware of this, but I am reading Ryan Holiday's book on Ego's the Enemy. This book right here. And I think it's helped me. I actually read the first couple of pages, and it literally nailed me down. It got me. It felt very what should I call it? Very fuck, what's that word? I felt very, oh, it's a word where it's, I don't know the word. I forgot the word, but it's very picked. I guess he really picked me, or not picked. I just felt called out. I felt like he really was talking about me in the few couple of pages I read. I was like, wow, I have like the biggest ego, and my ego is the thing that's holding me back. One of my ego's things is, well, you saw this. I did it before the fact, and I told you those highs were going to take it out. I've told you, look how it's trading inside here. It's going to take that. It's going to go higher, and it does it. And I would have said it would have done it fast if I wasn't distracted. Um, I'm live streaming every day, by the way, so if you want to pop up, follow me, give me a like or two. Actually, go like this video right now. You know how many of your gurus out there could do this for free? It's the free part. Maybe they could call it out before the fact, but can they do it for free? I'm doing it for free, and I have no course to sell you. And that leads me into why I read this book and why this book has called me out. Because of the concepts I have been given to me by God. I've had a huge ego over them. Like these are mine, and they're too good to just share online, and I can't do it because what if somebody else takes my concepts, my credit, they're mine, and I just have that big ego over them that it's just me, it's mine. Not realizing that they were given to me so I could teach and so I could give out to the public in Jesus' name. So I reading this book, I noticed that and I was okay, something has to change. And me doing this live and telling you, showing you about failure swings, turtle soups, liquidity runs, that's just a seed. It's like a, I don't know, I guess like a beginning of me. It's the beginning of me letting that ego go by teaching something that is personal to me that I've been working hard on. I want to get in here. Bro, why is that not working? I want to add to that. I don't want to see it, so we're going higher. I'll wait for it. Um, yeah, that's why I'm teaching because I've been revealed that I have a big ego, and so I'm teaching because the concepts I had are what fed that ego, are what do feed that ego of mine. But, yeah. Let's see what this looks like in a 1 second. Do you see that? Relative equal lows. If it's perfect. Do you see that right there? Tell me you see that. Do you see how perfect it is? When you think this is buying and selling pressure, come on. No, you don't. You don't think that anymore. If you've been watching me, you don't believe the markets are run by us. You don't believe that the markets move based on buying and selling pressure. It doesn't. You know that by now. You know better. They're algorithmic. They're moved by one zeros and O's, 0 1 0, if then this, if then else. It's run by that. Um, but let's just look at the 1 minute. I mean 1 second, because the 1 second tells us a whole lot about price action more than the other time frames. Because look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 goes up. It's normally six. Wait, did I miscount? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Interesting. Then look how it touches that perfectly. But do you see these right here? Your brain wants to ignore them because they make no sense, but do you see that right there? That one right there? One, two, that one down there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need to trade a 1 second chart. To be the best trader in the world, you have to show that you can trade a 1 second chart. If you can't trade a 1 second chart, then you are not the best trader in the world. In like the next 4 minutes, if this doesn't start moving, I might be offside. If it doesn't start moving higher, I might be offside. Relative equal lows, which one do you think is going to break out of? That one or that one? I think that one. Wait, am I right? Am I right? Boom, it took that one. Why didn't it take these? I'll teach that. I'll literally teach that if I get 5 likes on this video. If I get 5 likes on this video, I'll teach why the relative equal lows did not get taken out, and the relative equal highs got taken out, even though these were more were more what do you call it? Were more, I guess, more. Oh, now we're going lower. Nice. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I really like these. Open, slam down. Open, slam up. Haha. Sick. Sick. I know you're watching this, right? You saw that. Haha. Bro, this has 2 minutes. This has to like start taking those high, that high. The next 2 minutes. If not, it's gonna take longer. There we go. What I'm thinking is that they're just engineering more liquidity. That's all my brain is going to when I see all this. They're engineering more liquidity for the sake of them um, getting in. For the sake of them to get in and capitalize on those who don't know why the market's moving. This stream is so latent. Give me a quick sec. I'm gonna put my AirPods. I want this to be actually I could go to settings. I'll have to do that later. I think the stream is a little latent. I've put in the lowest latency possible for my AirPods. I don't know. I don't know where my AirPods are, and this is distracting me. That's dope. Look at that big candlestick right there. This is what I'm talking about. Going on the 1 second chart gives you so much information. Look at that. Isn't that huge? That's incredible. Oh my god. They're in a sell program. They should start sell program. Come on. This is a fair value app. Let's make that. Actually, let's make that so we can really read those together. There's the lows right there, and there's that right there. I wouldn't be surprised if we tag that low and then start going higher. So we have liquidity down there. Tag this. Now start going higher. Well, not really what I want to see. Not at all what I want to see. I'm offside. 10 minutes. Where's my stuff? I'm gonna lift this up. So that right there. We open a 130. 130 open. Just gotta wait. I have a stop loss for a reason. It's my last line of offensive. This right here. If that gets disrespected, I'm off to do. And it's a big losing trade. Quarter block. I do realize I was so busy looking at the one sec. $509 loss. I'm offside. What happened? What happened? I still think it could go higher. I just get shaken out for trade. I guess this is a good learning lesson. Let's see. Did I get shaken out for trade? I possibly did. Actually, that's good. That's actually really good. I'm glad I got shaken out for trade. It's probably good that you see me get shaken out for trade because that happens that does happen a lot. Yep. Amazing. Amazing. Mm, that's good. I'm actually really happy with that. Because now I know okay, I need to work on not getting shaken out of trades. That still occurs, which is fine. And I'm live streaming, so that adds to it. No excuses. It's fully on me. Oh, you're kidding me. Don't sleep on balanced price ranges. Balanced price ranges are literally slept on. That's annoying. I'm gonna get it back on the rebound. Just wait for it. And in my head, I was like, no, don't get out. Don't get out. See it through. Let's take the stop. Take the stop. About rock and roll. still don't understand. Like, fuck that I'm on side right now. I still don't understand why are we retracing at the moment. That makes no sense. Still don't understand. I want perfection, and perfection is what I'll get. Now I should be like narrating what I'm doing, but like I gotta like lock in. Really gotta lock in. It's like life or death, bro. I gotta lock in. And I gotta like figure out like oh, it's kind of good. Zoomed in. Zoomed in. That's clean. Oh, that's clean. That makes sense. Okay. That makes sense too. I'm gonna add up more. That was too much. I'm about to take some off. Bye. Bye. I'm gonna take some off strategically. Just wait for it. Wait for it to completely drop. It's about to drop really heavily. Everybody buying is about gets crushed. One, two, three. Let it rip. Well, that did nothing. I'm about to take the money gun. I'm about to make this thing go lower. Yeah, you better go lower. You got 3 seconds, bitch. 1, 2, 3. Let's talk about it. That's what I thought. Let me sell one or buy one. Oh, haha. Jackass. That's what I'm talking about. Give me my money. Give me my money. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Go lower. Yeah. Yeah. I gotta pick the piece all up now. A good businessman has a clean desk. I need to actually start spilling after this minute. After these seconds, it should start spilling now. Boom. Go lower. No, not higher. Lower. Go lower. Go lower now. No, not higher. Why is it going higher? I kind of want to go higher now. I need to go a little higher though. I need it to go maybe right here. Go on your 2 minute. I would want to see that 1344 candlestick get tag before we go lower. So I do want to go a little higher. You see that candlestick right there? I mean that highlighted area? That's where I want it. That's why I want it to tag before we start going lower. Isn't trading just like the best emotional game ever? Slam dunk. Now it should start spilling lower. And 1, 2, 3. Like gas on a stove. Literally, like gas on a stove. Just start going. Absolutely. Nuclear. Just start slamming down lower. Should I money gun again? Should I money gun? Go lower right now. Oh yeah, it's gonna crash. Wait for it. Then we're gonna crash now. There we go. Crashing. The whole market. The American government is going lower. Everything burnt to the ground. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Just wait for it. This is the like least volatile market I've ever been in. Well, at least I got my first profit taken. That's always a plus. That's liquidity. It's engineering liquidity. The higher time frames don't get distracted too much. Today Friday? No, it's not Friday. Today's Wednesday. 6 minutes, 21 minutes, 36 seconds. I mean 36 minutes. An hour, 3 hours, 1 hour. 1 minute, 20 seconds, 18 seconds. What am I not seeing right now? We just engineer liquidity. And we really will rip. How quickly are we going to rip lower though? That's my question. How quickly are we going to displace these people? I think we're going to do it. There. It's hilarious. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. I gotta move my car out the driveway. Gotta move my Lambo, out the driveway. Shit. It's all about patience, alright? It's all about patience. Yeah. I eat raisins, and I just found a raisin. Alright, I gotta go. I'll be right back, chat. Give me a sec.
I'm back, but with a bowl of soup. What happened, guys? Did I get stopped out? Did I get stopped out? Did I get stopped? Did I get stopped out? 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 No, I didn't get stopped out. Wait. That's getting annoying. 2, 1, 1, 1, 12, 6, 7, 109, 4, 4, 4. That was yesterday. This is today. Not bad. I would say it's not bad. I was gonna say I made like 300. I made $300. This is E-mini lasso. Let's say it's 3,000 times 15 funded accounts. $45,000. That'll be crazy. Please give me a sponsor. I will literally shake ass. I just need a sponsor and I'll stop demo trading. I promise. I promise. I will literally trade your accounts. Make money. Make money. That's so long as I can say Jesus. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Praise Jesus. Like I said, everything I know comes from him. How to trade. How to be myself. It's all thanks to him. This is a really good cereal. It's my favorite cereal. Please like and subscribe if you liked what you saw today. Um, the money gun is my secret weapon to making the market drop. I literally just point at its face and I threaten the market to go lower, and it does it. That's my secret. If it takes that low, it's gonna want to spool to that low. Yeah. Takes that low, that's a trigger to start going lower. That would be crazy if my mic was off the whole time. I just realized sometimes it turns off. Gotta check if it turned off. That was crazy if my mic was off. Alright, mic is on. If you have not watched my Baptized in the Candlesticks video, I suggest you go watch it. I talk about failure swings. I talk about liquidity types, and liquidity types is my concept. Brian Ramirez certified. It's about failure swings and turtle soups and relative equal highs and lows. So I recommend you go watch it. I got a big mess in right now. It's not fun. You get in, you get out. Like the market, so much fun. And I really thought about it as I was like in the market. I'm gonna leave her alone. I'm not gonna text her. I'm not gonna say what's up for the fuck of it. I'm literally gonna leave her alone. I'm gonna keep my peace because I've been working hard for my peace. And I'm gonna remind myself that there are hundreds of fish in the sea. Hundreds. And you know what? That's not even the issue because I've literally been with, I don't want to say it like that, but I've been with a lot of women. I hate to say that though because I just want one girl in my life, and I've been with multiple women, and I can tell you that it's sad. It's not fun. It's literally it's soul taking. It's not cool. And moving moving forward in my life, I don't want to go back to the same old of like texting this girl, getting back together, moving on, yada yada. It's the same thing all over again. And I just, I don't know. I know there's a good girl out there for me. I don't know when I'll meet her, how I'll meet her. Maybe she'll be a day trader. That's the one type of girl I have not dated yet. I've dated, I dated a good variety of women. A day trader has not happened yet. Maybe I should start dating girls who day trade, and maybe that's the missing piece. She just doesn't know how to day trade. Because like the last relationship I was in, there was complaints about me looking at the candlesticks for too long. And I was like, looking at the candlesticks for too long. Um, it's either gonna be you or the Nasdaq, and I'm picking the Nasdaq. It just hell no. Looking at the candlesticks for too long. So yeah, we broke up right there in the spot. It was at the gym. Literally, we were lifting together, which I really don't like. I don't like women that lift. I just think it's very manly, and I just don't like it. Um, but she was there with me as she's doing her set. I was like on my phone looking at the Nasdaq, and she was like, and I was like, you sorry, my turn. And she goes like, you spend a lot of time on that phone. Um, would it be nice if you and I just spent more time without you looking at the stocks? And I was like, uh, yeah, no, that can't happen. Do you want to be friends? Because this is my life, and if you don't like it, I don't think we could date. And of course, it just didn't work out. We broke up, but what can I say? What can I say? You don't come between a man and his career. This is my passion. So, again, if you want to drop a like, a comment, tell me what was your favorite part. Tell me if you want to watch more trading videos like my my strategy, how I get in. Uh, I don't know if you are struggling with anything in the market. Let me know, and maybe I could be of use. Uh, like I said, I want to see that get taken out. I want to see that be rocket fuel, and there's my target. And that's my target down there. I kind of don't like that. Yes, we'll go with red. That's my target. We should rocket fuel. When we take this out, we should rocket fuel and go here, unless we want to go to the fair value gap that's left behind. Well, what time is it? It's 2. Here's what could happen. There's always two sides of the story. Either we'll use this as turtle soup and we'll go back here and then start going lower, or we're going to take this out and go directly here. Because it depends how strong we are in volatility. If we're really strong, then like I said, we'll take that out. That triggers it to start taking that low out. Or if we're low, we'll take that as a turtle soup, start going back here, then start going back lower. That's my take on that. Alright. I'm gonna pick up the dollar bills that I made a mess in my room for. I'll clean this later. No, bro, but like I'm telling you, Ryan Holiday, Ego is the Enemy. You have to read this book. It's such a good book. Literally pulled me out first couple of pages, and I was like, I dislike this guy because he literally called me out. Yeah, completely I'm completely a egotistical nobody. I am such an egotistical nobody. Go, go. Start going lower. I would not get in right now. If you really just saw this, don't get in just yet. I recommend that you wait for a retracement because if you get in right now, just know there's a footprint left behind for it to start going back higher. And this is the PD array I'm looking at. So as people are selling, the market is getting ready to go to these key levels right here. I'll remove this. Wait. Just for fun. Look right here. Look right here. Tell your guru. Tell your guru to go do that. Come on. Ah! Yeah, that's sick. Alright. I had enough. Wait, what? It's actually doing it. That's crazy. That's crazy. No way. It's almost like Brian Ramirez knows something. It's almost like he's like in the know of the algorithms commands the script. I was thinking of like a cool way of saying that, but there's literally nothing cool about the market. It's literally it's so nerdy. It's coding. All right. If you're a coder, I don't know why you're not trading. If you know Python, here. If you know Python, trading should be the easiest thing for you. And I'm jealous because I literally just started. Well, not really. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know Python, but like, if you know Python, you would know this is easy. Somebody just make a clip of this. Like, I need clippers. The more, actually no, because I feel like the reason I'm being like this open about stuff is because I don't have that big of a following, and therefore people won't steal my stuff. Um, if I have too much of a big following, I might not reveal as many things as I am now, but doesn't matter. Is it going down there? Is it going to tag it? Did he do it before the fact? Yes, I did. Am I live streaming it? Yes, I am. Can your guru do that? No, he can't. No, he can't. He can't do that. He's not me. He'll never be me. Um, and this is all thanks to one man and one man only, who wasn't really a man, but a god. Jesus. Literally, Jesus has given me this skill, and it's all glory to him. It's his righteous awesomeness that works through me. I mean, that's working in me. That's working in me. And there, that's enough. That's a tick. It was a tick in to take it out. One tick. That little tick. You're probably thinking, the fuck is this shit? Well, that one little tick has got billion. Well, I'm joking. Has millions, $100,000 worth of liquidity that just got entered into the market. So guess what they're going to do? Guess where they're going to take it? I'll give you a hint. Wait, I'll give you a hint. Right. That's your hint. Um, they might want to take that low, but this time when it takes that low, it's not going to be rocket fuel. It's going to be a troll soup, and that troll soup is then going to launch it back higher. So just bear a little bit of a retracement if you just got in, and then wait for it to start going back higher. Um, but with that being said, I'm done for today. I had fun, had a lot of fun. I feel like I'm coming back to my old self. I've been lost and I feel me again. I don't know how to explain that, but I am Brian Ramirez. I feel the most Brian Ramirez I've ever felt in my life. Thank you for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with a new live stream. Hopefully, I take more losses. Wait, there's something I've been wanting to do for the longest time. I've been wanting to start when I was a kid, I used to like crow call all the time because it was like something I don't know why I would do it, but I would crow call because I don't know, I would just do it all the time. And I'm thinking this is like suitable for it. Like just I don't know why I'm making a big deal, but I want a crow call so bad. I'm like hyped up, I just want like man, that's fun. I miss being a kid. That was lit. But that's literally how I feel right now. I feel like, bro, like I'm finally getting this shit, bro. You don't understand my excitement. Like, this isn't just a today thing. This has been a whole year fucking thing. I'm excited. I'm ready. It's been a year. of calling it, getting in. I have my moments of getting scared out of a trade. I have my moments of not knowing, right? But man, am I more consistent than not? And it's all thanks to Jesus. And I'm like, I feel like that kid again at the park just crow calling. Man, I'm like hyped up and I'm excited for you to get as good as I am. Oh, well, I'm not that great, but hope you get better than me. I hope what I teach helps you. I hope it shows you what to look for. I'm gonna be posting more educational videos. I just need to get that following up. So like, share this, comment, and I'll be back for the next one.